Hello guys. Firstly, welcome to this new video. It is going to be a very interesting video. Basically, we are going to talk about the upcoming budget, and the budget is supposed to be announced on 1st February. That is a Tuesday. So there is a lot of excitement around what's going to happen in the budget. Is it going to be very favorable for traders and investors, or how it's going to be, and how is market going to react to the budget? So there are a lot of factors and a lot of uncertainty right now. But yeah, some people are saying that there are basically a few sectors which might benefit from this budget, but we are not really sure what will happen. So when you aren't sure about something, then the uncertainty is not good. I am sure you will also think it in this way. So what we have to do is that if you want to do something in the market and make money from whatever is going to happen, you need to strategize and think that, oh, how I can play this and what can I do. So what we will also do here is we are going to talk about a strategy which we are going to deploy for the budget day. And it is a very interesting strategy. And I will tell you what it's called, what are the characteristics of the strategy. So watch the video till the end, because there are some minute specific stuff which you have to follow during that day for this strategy. And there is a possibility that you might be on the winning side here. There is uncertainty, but yes, still you can be a winner. So without wasting any more time, let's go and let's look at the strategy. So basically, firstly, what is happening here is, so let's discuss what's going to happen. First Feb, budget announcement. So on 1st Feb, there is budget announcement, and we got to play that budget announcement. So how can I do it if there is uncertainty? So we will deploy a strategy which is called as long straddle. So this is an option strategy, hedge strategy, and it does not involve you to know where the market is going to move, if it is going to go down or if it is going to go up. So you don't have to be sure about where the market movement will be, but still you can make money out of it. So this is called a long straddle. And basically for beginners, I'm not going to go too much deep into what the strategy is, or I don't want to complicate things here, but just let's take basics and then let's see. So what we do is, in this strategy, volatility is required. So we need volatility. Volatility is our friend. If there is volatility and if there is market movement, then it is good for us. Sideways is really hurtful for this strategy. So if there is no movement in the market, it really hurts the strategy. And basically on budget day, it is considered that there will be movement in the market. Basically, let's go and let's look at this document which I have seen. So firstly, let's discuss all the points from the strategy. Volatility is our friend. Sideways market we don't need, and we don't have too much time. Time, we don't have that much. So time is not our friend. Time is not our friend here. So we want this strategy to work fast. So what we will do is we will play this intraday. Just intraday. We won't take this overnight. This is just for intraday. Remember, intraday strategy, we won't take it for overnight. So basically, if we see in this document, these are the past few budgets, which the 2021 is not here, but there was a great uptrend in the market in the 2021 budget. Before that, 2020 market went down 3%. So if you look at it, the market gives a movement of intraday around 2%. That is a great movement intraday for traders. So the market gives a movement of intraday 2%. So what will we do here? So the long straddle strategy, the long straddle strategy is that you buy one put option and you buy one call option, and we will take at the money option. So the strike price will be at the money. What do we mean by at the money? For example, Nifty is trading around 17,200 on the day of budget. So at the money option will be the Nifty 17,200 put and Nifty 17,200 call. These will be at the money options. So we will take at the money, one put option we'll buy and one call option we'll sell. So what will happen here is that volatility will help one of these sides. It will either help the call option we've bought, or it will either help the put option we've bought. So this is that we will buy one put option, we will buy one call option, and that will be at the money strike. So whatever the spot price is when we deploying, we will take at the money option. So some rules which we have to take into consideration here is that time is not our friend. So when will we enter? So entry is important. We will enter around previous day closing price, or if we don't get that, then we will enter around 10-15 minutes before announcement starts. So it is supposed to start at 11 a.m. So we will enter this position either around the previous day closing price of Nifty or around 10-15 minutes before the announcement is going to start. So if you really want to trade the strategy, I will update the traders on my Telegram channel whenever I am entering the strategy. And for you all, you consult your financial advisor before getting into the strategy. This is for educational purposes only. And I will update on my Telegram that when I am going to deploy this strategy. So entry we've talked about. Now exit is important. Exit, we will exit around 2 to 2:30 p.m. Or if the market starts going sideways post the announcement, then we will exit, because sideways market is not our friend in this kind of market, in this kind of strategy, sorry. So we've talked strike will be at the money, buy one put, buy one call, and expiry will be this Thursday. So expiry will be the option expiry will be this Thursday, which is Feb 3rd. Feb 3rd expiry option, at the money, one put buy and one call buy. So what is really going to happen is, I will explain that as well. So for example, the strike is really important. We will take at the money and we will take Nifty, not bank Nifty. So because why we take Nifty is that there are a lot of other sectors which are part of Nifty as an index. It is not about one index. So if there is a positive news regarding auto, Nifty will benefit. If there is a positive news related to infrastructure, Nifty will benefit. But bank Nifty is only one sector, and you need to get a news regarding banking sector to have a great movement in bank Nifty. But Nifty, we know it is a diverse sector and we might see a good movement. So we have to take Nifty as our play. So we have to play Nifty. So how will you profit? Like if you're buying both the put option and call option, how will you profit? So let's take an example. 17,200 strike, we've bought the put and we bought the call. We got the put at 100. Puts are always priced higher in the market than the calls because people give more importance to losses rather than the profits. And imagine this is priced at 90. Just an example. Don't take this that this is the final thing. This is just an example. So for example, the announcement is going on and the market starts to move up and the move is fierce and it is trending. So what will happen? I won't go into delta and all of that and make this complicated, just that the speed at which the call option will be rising will be higher than the speed the put option will be losing its value, because you are going up, so call option will benefit. And the call option, if it goes to 120, this is your call option, and your put option value goes down, but it goes down to 80. So the loss you are making on the put option is of 20 points, but on the call option, you are making a profit of 30 points. From 90 to 120, it went. So that is 30 points increase. And from 100 to 80, the premium has gone. So that is minus 20 decrease. So all in all, you're still in a profit of plus 10. And you don't have to tell which side the market is going to go. How is the budget going to be? How are the people in the market going to take the budget? You just have to deploy the strategy, and you don't have to be sure that which side the market will go. Only one thing we want here is volatility, and we will pray this intraday. So this is really important. Volatility and intraday, and it is a big event. Budget is a good event, so I think there will be for sure 2%, 1% movement in the market. There will be volatility, and we will take this intraday. So this is the long straddle strategy, guys. Basically what we have discussed here is, in short, let's discuss. So what we have discussed here is that in this strategy, we will take at the money options, and we will take Nifty as a play, and we will buy one put, and for that we will sell one put. Buy one put, and for that we will buy another call. So that is a long straddle, buy one call and buy one put. So that is 1:1 of put. We will buy both put and call, and that will be at the money in Nifty. This will be our strategy, and I've already told you how to enter and how to exit. And if you still aren't sure how will we take entry and when I'm going to enter, you can join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below, and you can join it, and you can know whenever I'm entering and whenever I'm exiting. So that's all for this video. This is our budget strategy, and I hope you like it. Do hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Take care.